Good morning, gang. Good morning, pretty girls and pretty boys. It's your girl Raya. I'm back with another video. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and turn the bell on so that y'all know whenever I'm uploading another video. Y'all, it's Sunday morning. It's peaceful. It's a peaceful Sunday morning. And like, it's just like so quiet and like kind of foggy. But y'all, so I'm gonna do a sit down with y'all because I gotta catch y'all up on a few things. But today I wanted to just take y'all on this nature trail with me for the first time. This is my first time ever going on this nature trail. If you know me, you know I love like hiking trails and nature trails. And I know a couple around Atlanta that have like really nice, peaceful scenery, like creeks and waterfalls and all of that, and it's just so peaceful, y'all. Like, and it's nothing like doing a hiking trail or like a nature trail early in the morning. Like, it's nothing like it. It's really nothing like it. Yeah, so I'm gonna take y'all with me this morning. It's Sunday morning. It's like 8:30 in the morning, and I think it's gonna rain today, so I need to hurry up. But I'm gonna take y'all with me on this nature trail, so come on. Y'all, we about to go on this nature trail. Yeah, I'm a nature trailer. I like to try different trails, and we about to try this one for the first time, y'all. I'm excited. Y'all, excuse me, I'm a little stopped up. I'm a little stopped up. I don't know what's going on. I feel a little congested. I don't know if it's the weather or what, but bear with me. Yeah, but that ain't gonna stop us from going on this nature trail though. Definitely not gonna stop us, not today. So I'm gonna take y'all with me. It's definitely giving woodsy, very much woodsy. I see where they tried to pave like the road for the trail. They got a little dirty, but I see what they did, try to do some concrete, so it is like a paved, it's paved. Alright, y'all, I just had to stop for a second, y'all. When I tell you the camera does this no justice, it's just very peaceful, very much like I'm on a ranch, just walking, and it's very peaceful, and I'm enjoying it very much so enjoying it. Just wanted to stop and tell you guys that. Stop right here and have a little convo with y'all. Yeah, about my life update, and the life update is I moved. I moved, and I'm really loving it, and that's my life update. I'm sure there'll be more life updates in the future, but as of now, your girl just living life. I'm just living life. I'm out here at 8 o'clock in the morning on this nature trail, and I'm enjoying it. It's very much peaceful, and yeah, I'm that type of girl. So yeah, I just wanted to stop right here, holler at y'all for a second. I saw a nice area to stop and have a sit down with y'all, so that's what I did. And yeah, I think I'm done with the sit down. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Alright, y'all, like, comment, subscribe to your girl. Subscribe to the channel.